I used to hate reading long research papers until I found a way to make them read themselves to me, just like a podcast. If you ever struggled with big reports or academic papers, you are not alone. I discovered 2 free AI tools that can turn any PDF into audio podcasts. In this video, I will share how they work and how you can use them to save time, reduce stress, and learn smarter in few minutes. Hi, I am Pat, and on this channel, we'll discuss educational technology and digital productivity tools. If you would like to learn more about teaching and learning, research, and digital productivity tools, please hit that subscribe button and join our community so you never miss any new video. If you are ready, let's get started. Now, turning onto my computer, I will go to Chrome and navigate to NotebookLM. Press enter and click on the first option. I may decide to open it as a new tab, then wait for it to load. As you can see, NotebookLM has so many things to offer, but what we are about to try today is how you can use it to generate podcasts from PDF. In a minute, you will see how this thing works. So I will then click on Try NotebookLM. You will be required to create an account. Immediately you are in NotebookLM, you will be welcomed with this welcome message. So I will click OK. Since what we want to create is a podcast, now what we need to do is to add our PDF file. So I will click here in order to select the PDF documents. After that, I will click on this untitled notebook and select the file. From my ready to use folder, I will select this file, online learning. Then wait for the file to upload. Immediately the file finished uploading, I can start to chat with this file so that NotebookLM will give me summary or answer any question that I have to ask using this chatbot. But today, all we want is a podcast. So I will click on audio overview from here, or come down here and click on audio overview. So let me use this button. From this dialog box, you can choose deep dive, brief, critique, or debate. Because what we want is a podcast, we are going to use deep dive. As you can see, deep dive will give you a lively conversation between two hosts, unpacking and connecting topics in your sources. Then I will choose my language, that is English. After selecting your language, you can prompt the AI to focus on a specific purpose, topic, or source. You can enter it here. Otherwise, you go straight and click on generate button. Then you wait for your podcast or audio overview to be generated. This may take a few minutes, but do not worry because the result is wow. And we are going to show you another tool that will even generate it faster. Stick around so that you don't miss any detail. Boom! We have our podcast ready. You can see it here. Now, let us play it and see how it sounds.
Remember when online felt like an afterthought? Or maybe just a niche thing for a few people?
Yeah, absolutely.
And then, bam, almost overnight, it became the only option.
It was a massive global experiment. The COVID-19 pandemic, it didn't just hit economies hard, it forced schools, colleges, universities, many really stuck in their traditional ways into this incredibly rapid pivot.
The virtual classroom.
There wasn't any other choice, really.
And that's exactly what this deep dive.
Okay, I just played the first 1 minute of this podcast. How cool is this? Please subscribe to my channel if you are getting value from this video. Now, let us use the second tool that I told you about. The name of the tool is SciSpace. Let's open it. So I will click on this option and wait for it to load. Now, once you are into SciSpace, the very first thing you will need to do in order to convert your PDF into a podcast is to click on this chat with PDF. After that, it will bring you to this platform where you will now have to upload your PDF file. So I'll click on this button. and select my PDF file. Then wait for it to upload. Okay, after uploading the file, you can see the file here. After the upload, you can click on this summary in order to have the summary of this PDF file. Otherwise, you click on podcast, as this is our goal. So let me click on it now. Unfortunately, I have used up my free plan. Please tell me what you feel about these podcast tools. I hope this video was helpful. Let's have your thoughts through the comment box. Subscribe, like, and share the video with others. We also made a video on how to edit a PDF file with mobile app for free. The link to this video is in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.